Alright, hey, so this video is going to help you with specific types of problems that you'll see in assignment AA4. And these problems are ones where you have to graph equations that are in standard form. So one way that we can graph equations in standard form is to convert standard form into slope-intercept form. But there is another way, okay? And that is by finding the x-intercept and the y-intercept, alright? X-intercept is a point that's on the x-axis, and we already know about the y-intercept, which is a point on the y-axis. So if we have those 2 points, then we have a line. And so you may already have thought this through, where you should realize that the y-intercept is a point where the x value is 0 and the y value is some number. It can be positive, negative, but it's on the y-axis. So therefore, the x-intercept is going to be the reverse of that, the opposite of that, where there's going to be an x value because it's a point on the x-axis, but it's going to stay on the x-axis, so it's not going to go up or down, so there's no y value. Okay, so knowing that, we could take an equation like this equation, this example that I wrote here, where 3x plus 2y equals 12. So the y-intercept is where x is 0 and there's going to be a y value. So let's substitute 0 in there. Okay, we got 3 times 0 plus 2y equals 12. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2y. Okay, so let's not write that 0. Let's write 2y equals 12. So y equals 6. So y equals 6. So y-intercept is 6. I'm going to go onto the graph and then put that down there. Put that up there. So I put x is 0. So if you want to think of it as a point, the point is 0, y is 6. So that's where the y-intercept is. So now the x-intercept is, let's take the same equation. 3x plus 2y equals 12. And now the x-intercept is when y is 0. So it's going to have 3x plus 2 times y 0 equals 12. So this is going to tell us 3x plus 0. So 3x equals 12. Divide both sides by 3x equals 4. So now the x-intercept is at 4. And then you got yourself a line. Right? This is where we're just going to substitute 0 in for x, or substitute 0 in for y, and then graph the x and the y values. And they're your intercepts. All right, let's look at one more example just for this video. This example number 2. All right, x plus 2y equals 6. So let's put 0 for x, or let's say minus 2y equals 6. All right, so we have negative 2y equals 6. Let's divide both sides by negative 2. And y equals negative 3. All right, y equals negative 3 here. So if we wanted to know the point, then x, we put 0 in for x, and the y is negative 3. So there's the point. 0, negative 3 is our y-intercept. All right, let's use the same equation. Now do it as x minus 2y equals 6. All right, same equation here. And let's put 0 for y. So x minus 2 times 0 equals 6. 2 times 0 is 0, so x just equals 6. And then there's our other line. Alright, so this is probably a lot quicker if you understand the nature of intercepts. Alright, please rewatch this video. This is going to come in super handy as a time saver for these types of problems on assignment AA4, these problems that come in standard form. Alright, good luck on the assignment.